Hello kids, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to learn about I should. We use I should when we talk about the right thing to do or when we give advice to ourselves. Let's dive into the video.
I should wake up early.
I should wake up early.
I should brush my teeth.
I should brush my teeth.
I should wash my face.
I should wash my face.
I should comb my hair.
I should comb my hair.
I should take a bath daily.
I should take a bath daily.
I should wear clean clothes.
I should wear clean clothes.
I should eat breakfast.
I should eat breakfast.
I should go to school.
I should go to school.
I should do my homework.
I should do my homework.
I should sleep on time.
I should sleep on time.
I should say thank you.
I should say thank you.
I should say sorry.
I should say sorry.
I should say please.
I should say please.
I should share my toys.
I should share my toys.
I should help my parents.
I should help my parents.
I should wash my hands.
I should wash my hands.
I should eat healthy food.
I should eat healthy food.
I should drink more water.
I should drink more water.
I should keep my room clean.
I should keep my room clean.
I should throw trash in the bin.
I should throw trash in the bin.
I should listen to my teacher.
I should listen to my teacher.
I should raise my hand to speak.
I should raise my hand to speak.
I should sit properly.
I should sit properly.
I should read my book.
I should read my book.
I should write neatly.
I should write neatly.
I should respect my teacher.
I should respect my teacher.
I should be kind to classmates.
I should be kind to classmates.
I should follow school rules.
I should follow school rules.
I should bring my homework.
I should bring my homework.
I should stand in line.
I should stand in line.
I should greet others.
I should greet others.
I should wait my turn.
I should wait my turn.
I should speak politely.
I should speak politely.
I should not shout.
I should not shout.
I should listen carefully.
I should listen carefully.
I should respect elders.
I should respect elders.
I should not fight.
I should not fight.
I should play fairly.
I should play fairly.
I should be honest.
I should be honest.
I should be patient.
I should be patient.
I should keep my books in place.
I should keep my books in place.
I should feed my pet.
I should feed my pet.
I should water the plants.
I should water the plants.
I should help in the kitchen.
I should help in the kitchen.
I should fold my clothes.
I should fold my clothes.
I should clean my shoes.
I should clean my shoes.
I should respect my parents.
I should respect my parents.
I should play safely.
I should play safely.
I should take care of my toys.
I should take care of my toys.
I should lock the door safely.
I should lock the door safely.
I should eat fruits.
I should eat fruits.
I should eat vegetables.
I should eat vegetables.
I should exercise daily.
I should exercise daily.
I should sleep well.
I should sleep well.
I should rest when I am sick.
I should rest when I am sick.
I should cover my mouth when I cough.
I should cover my mouth when I cough.
I should cover my nose when I sneeze.
I should cover my nose when I sneeze.
I should not eat too many sweets.
I should not eat too many sweets.
I should wear clean clothes.
I should wear clean clothes.
I should keep myself neat.
I should keep myself neat.
I should cross the road carefully.
I should cross the road carefully.
I should wear a helmet.
I should wear a helmet.
I should not play with fire.
I should not play with fire.
I should not touch sharp things.
I should not touch sharp things.
I should not talk to strangers.
I should not talk to strangers.
I should stay with my parents.
I should stay with my parents.
I should fasten my seatbelt.
I should fasten my seatbelt.
I should walk, not run.
I should walk, not run.
I should not climb high places.
I should not climb high places.
I should take care of my body.
I should take care of my body.
I should love animals.
I should love animals.
I should not hurt birds.
I should not hurt birds.
I should protect trees.
I should protect trees.
I should save water.
I should save water.
I should not waste food.
I should not waste food.
I should recycle.
I should recycle.
I should plant trees.
I should plant trees.
I should enjoy nature.
I should enjoy nature.
I should protect the earth.
I should protect the earth.
I should walk on grass.
I should walk on grass.
I should always tell the truth.
I should always tell the truth.
I should be brave.
I should be brave.
I should try new things.
I should try new things.
I should be creative.
I should be creative.
I should be hardworking.
I should be hardworking.
I should not be lazy.
I should not be lazy.
I should forgive others.
I should forgive others.
I should smile often.
I should smile often.
I should spread happiness.
I should spread happiness.
I should study well.
I should study well.
I should learn English.
I should learn English.
I should read daily.
I should read daily.
I should respect time.
I should respect time.
I should save money.
I should save money.
I should be helpful.
I should be helpful.
I should keep learning.
I should keep learning.
I should follow my dreams.
I should follow my dreams.
I should be kind.
I should be kind.
I should be a good person.
I should be a good person.